The sunflowers have been an utter failure this year. The first seeds I put in here, all 12 cells, were these giant Russians, and they all failed. None of them came up. So I stuck some of my own home saved seeds in. I have no idea what they are, but I know they're sunflowers, and I've only got 4 of those out of the 12, so I'll be trying to pot on these 4 and see what we get. So that's the 4 of them potted up now, just as sunflower, because I have no idea. I think the whole thing is, I doubt if sunflowers have a very good shelf life, the seeds I'm talking about, because the giant Russians that I sown was from old packet of seeds that I had, and they just did nothing. And these are my home save I didn't grow any last year, so they had to be at least a couple of years old, so I'm just grateful that I've got some. I mean, 4 will do for me if I get all 4, because I've only got room for 2 at home, and I try and squeeze a couple here somewhere on the allotment. Okay, and out of the same water bath I've just rescued this little guy. He's alive. He's just had his wings outspread on the surface of the water, and hope you can see it. Let me try and zoom in. I think he's okay, or she. Okay, this is the datum. Put my dibber down, exactly 50 from there and 60 from there. So I'll get this dug out so that I can bury the halo. Partially bury it. Have it roughly that depth so it doesn't get kicked. Soil doesn't get kicked in, but it's deep enough set in there for the water to percolate to the roots of the tomato, and it works absolutely perfectly. Just check that. It's about there. Make sure I'm in the middle. Ish. Right, just backfill. It's a little bit deeper than that one, but so I'll be carrying on along the row until I've got them all sunk in, because I'll be planting tomatoes in the next couple of weeks. Okay, that's ready for tomorrow's session. Kills my knees though. Not good on my knees. Okay, I have to put on these Tomate de Colgar. As you can see, they're due for it. and as we're not going to be planting for a couple of weeks at least, they need to be moved up. So let's do that. These are grown as a vine, indeterminate, but they do branch very easily, so they have to be monitored quite closely. There's one done, and I'll do these two exactly the same.